money be green, but all of my rats be blue. We like to party with vibes. I'm with DJ, he shooting out the roof. I can run up this shit with my eyes closed. These diamond, they dancing, mind blown. I'm around with my gang, that's right or wrong. I step in the year, got this drip on. I know they looking, they watching.
I'm done for a minute, and then
not done, but it's just like y'all taking a break.
I feel like y'all see
man, y'all
recording shit.
Hey guys.
How the hell y'all got the nerve to be ruining somebody else's video and y'all not even in your own damn car?
That.
Embarrassing. You heard the fuck I said. You're not in your own damn car and got the nerve to be ruining somebody's video. Stop viewing the
Roll the window up.
I'm coming, boy.
I'm what, bitch?
Oh my god!
Now you gotta go there.
Oh my god!
This about the car.
Bitch, I got more
I want this shit to be no cap. He going down, he know that. You think I got stick and ain't blow back? They want me stop spinning, but Lil Juice ain't no cap. Street nigga way before rap. I wasn't even cap. Bitch gon' fuck if I pull up this yacht. They talk fly shit and don't got a strap. My niggas haze and I hang with the frap. As soon as I
Wait, I wanna hold it down. What I gotta
take over. Shit, the YouTube girl. Shit, the YouTube girl. Take over there.
My forehead look big in there.
Huh?
My forehead look big.
Got that forehead, man.
Yeah, zoom in.
Got that forehead. Look, y'all, we in Hooters right now, man. You know what I'm saying? We getting East and shit. We gotta run a little date with a song. Like, feel me, bro? Oh, god damn, bro. You I actually want to like a little date.
That's my dream. You pretty big.
Where, bro? Shit, YouTube, bro.
Yeah. Lanaya, look, I'm on YouTube, bitch. Oh, shit. Alright, y'all, this my friend Lanaya. This grave digger now.
It's grave digging 4K Troy, Northside 38. We put guns to the face, bitch. Hey, nigga, who gon' die today? Free $.
Grave digger now. Yeah, 4K Troy. This big slime. I forgot her name, y'all. I ain't gonna lie.
Big slime.
And, you know, I'm the real Brett. In case y'all forgot. Yeah.
Tired of Brett, right? How you on Brett?
Hey, but they ain't bring my water.
I guess I want.
I feel like you kind of bougie or something.
Oh!
I feel like she kind of bougie. Huh? A little bit. The way you got that Camaro. You know. I appreciate it.
Hey, y'all. Oh! What the heck? We look the fuck cross-eyed. Y'all, are you gonna put that on YouTube? I think he is.
You ain't caught up? You ain't caught up?
Don't get caught up.
I said, y'all can't get caught up?
Oh, I don't give a fuck.
If I make this, that means girls are really loyal. If I make this, that means I could trust bitches. If I make this, that means I'm DTB.
My ass sister.
You look like your sister?
I swear that she was your sister. Alright, bro, tell me they don't look like sisters low key, bro. Yeah, they low key look like sisters, bro. I ain't gonna
Wait, so
take them off. Not your beauty, the best beauty. Right, you ain't take them off for real? I don't know if I'm doing it right.
don't pull it hard.
I tried not to, bro. I feel like I'm hurting you, but I don't know.
Oh my god, look good.
I said, yeah. Is it true y'all about to be on? Y'all about to work here? Y'all about to be like them? Y'all about to be out. You Hooters worker? You about to be a Hooters worker too? What too? But she put my hat on, now she look good. Like, you see what I do? Look. Yeah, and it match her fit too. Look, she put my hat on a little peak. You gotta do a 360. You gotta do a 360. Yeah, Taco, bring him up. Yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah. But what the hell?
He claims he was a cage dancer.
He said he was a cage dancer? No, that's crazy. Cage dancer is crazy.
Still your girl for real.
Yeah. we talking about me? Alright, y'all, we better get back to y'all when we get the food and shit like that.
And then I go like this.
Yeah. You were saying, I'm teaching her. I'm a YouTube trainer. I'm about to teach her ass. She got to be a mini me. Alright, go ahead.
Okay, y'all. Alright, guys. We gonna be back when we get the food.
No. You did. Alright, we gonna be back when we get the food. But she wanna call me her son, but I can show her I'm like, damn. She cool with shit. Huh?
You're not supposed to put that on you.
I ain't gonna put it on here. Oh my God, it's gonna low. YouTube. Yeah. Alright, y'all, man. So we back in the whip. We finished eating and shit like that. I got her in the whip and shit, but put that down. That's the ass pin.
Oh my God.
Put that shit down, bro. Alright, bro. So we in the whip and shit like that. You feel me? So we about to do a little date video. It's time to get out your phone, cause dealing with me, you feel me? Get serious. You know what I'm saying? And on phone, you gotta pay attention. You feel what I'm saying? Alright, y'all.
I'm paying attention.
So I got my nigga Milo in the backseat, man.
Hold on, man.
Nigga Milo, but listen, bro, you gotta ask her some questions. You gotta ask her some questions and shit like that, bro. Can you use your flash? You put your flash with her or something? Like the light and shit. What nigga say? Messing up my bed, nigga. Alright, so you like ask like how we met. You just ask her, and then ask us questions like turn ons, turn offs. There's a bunch of different
He
shit.
found me on Instagram. He DM'd me.
Find you on Instagram.
Like,
Hey, hell no.
He found me on Instagram and he kept DMing me.
I didn't ask that, did I?
You
I didn't ask the
question.
question.
She did me. She was like, damn, I ain't gonna let you find as a bitch. You do YouTube?
He's
What?
lying.
Alright, look, I'm gonna ask the questions. Alright, so first of all, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
How y'all, you know what I'm saying? How y'all feel about each other?
How we feel about each other, man? Alright, bro. Yeah, she cool with people, bro.
Y'all, he got mad at me when he
Like
texted
what?
me.
Why?
Cause he was like, yo, and I said, yeah, and he said, you said it like I was bothering you.
Boy, yeah, I texted
he
her, bro, so I
talking
hit her
to
up. Listen, I hit her up, right? I was like, yo, she said, yeah. What the fuck you mean, yeah?
Cause yo, he didn't say
hey,
yeah.
hey, back.
No,
Hey, gang, shut
it
the
wasn't
door,
even
gang.
like that. He said yeah.
Yeah, she told
And I was high.
She said, yeah, like
I was
what?
like, I thought you were saying yo as in like,
This
yo.
is not a
I was
hot
like,
box.
yeah, like what's up?
This is not a hot box.
Yeah, chill.
A hot box.
Little
Yo,
hot
it's-
box, nigga. We throwing this out the window. See this? We're throwing that out the window,
You
nigga. We
gonna
don't
cash
do
out me-
that.
you gonna cash out me
We don't do that. 20? 20 for
Please
you.
don't tell me I got weed in that junk, bro.
No, my other one do.
Alright,
Alright, listen. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so, you feel me? I'm gonna ask the lady the question, you feel me?
For sure.
What's your turn-ons?
It's your turn now, bro. It only gotta be like sexual.
It don't gotta be sexual. It just gotta be like,
I mean, if you want to say that, it's cool.
I like somebody that's clean.
Clean, for sure.
Like clean.
Clean,
Smell nice.
and shit. Man.
Dress nice. Keep your like haircut good.
Yeah.
How you carry yourself?
You like
Tell
dreadheads? Cause I got dreads and I'm starting dreads.
Yeah, I like dreadheads. I don't like the little worms, but I like dreadheads.
The word, but my shit's not little worms right now, I don't think.
Well, I was just saying like.
Yeah. But when they get longer, it's gonna look good though. And this y'all first time seeing me with dreads too. But these niggas is wildin'. Stop revving the car.
fucking monkeys.
That's racist.
Alright, bro. So hey, when we talk, we need to like eye contact too. It's better.
Yeah, I ain't even
Like-
gonna lie. Yeah. I ain't even gonna lie.
alright,
Y'all need to make eye
Y'all friends
contact.
a little weird.
Friend, you niggas just playing.
Y'all strange.
Alright, look. So
Hold
we
on, the
gonna,
window down.
y'all, when I ask
I
y'all
gotta start
questions,
the car. The car that started. Let me start it.
Yeah, start up. I want to say something. Hurry up.
Wait, shut up.
Chop chop. Oh my God. If he was like about to, you know, excuse me. Excuse me, bitch.
Oh shit.
oh
You
shit.
fucking up my video. This
Back,
you
nigga,
fucking
she
up my
making a
video.
deal with Big Daddy right now. Stay. Roll the window up.
Hey.
Alright, so I'm out there.
Alright, this camera died. Alright, so I'm gonna ask another question. You feel me? So honestly, like you feel me, everyone.
Yo.
When you first met her, you know what I'm saying? What you feel?
Bro, so I met. Listen.
In the bathroom.
No, nigga,
No,
what?
this what
Bro,
happened.
alright, this what happened. This what happened. Alright, let me tell you, boys, what happened. Alright, so we was at the mall. It was me. So it was me, my nigga Talik, Josh, and who else? Was it? That was it. Yeah, that was it. So we walking around while we see them. They just like keep looking at us like laughing. Her and her friends.
That's not what happened.
No, that's what
Let me
happened.
tell y'all.
No.
So look, me Me and my friends, you know.
No, let me.
We
Can I make my story first? Can I make the story?
No.
Let me finish the
Let
story.
the lady talk first.
Listen.
Hey, I'm the judge here. Let the lady talk.
Nigga, you shut up, man.
Anyways, y'all, like I was saying, look, so
right
we had a number there. We decided we can go to the mall. We in the mall, you know. Yeah. We had went to the bathroom to take pictures. We coming out the bathroom, we seen them. And my friend was just laughing. You know, we goofy. We like to laugh.
Oh my God.
So then my friend was like, let's go back to the bathroom. Because she had last time, she wanted to take more pictures.
No. She said, no, that's what happened. They seen us walk in the bathroom, so they waited outside the bathroom till we came out.
So
then she started like posing and shit to see if I was gonna slide on her. Like, try to look all extra good and shit to see if I was gonna slide on her.
Lying. This is what happened. I'm standing back and he like, I'm just looking at him, and then he walked up and started talking to me. And then y'all, we took a picture. Y'all want to see the picture?
Yeah. Oh shit, we did take. Oh, you got it saved.
No, I'm going to your spam.
Oh shit.
It's on there.
Yeah, I thought you said it. I thought I was special or something.
It might be on there.
I thought I was like special or something. That's crazy.
October or some shit.
October.
When was it? I'm lying.
I was like January to summer. This picture right here, bro. Look what that is. Daddy ate nigga. She was fucking with me. She was fucking kid. Look at these niggas.
Did these niggas really in my car? In my car, honestly. But nah,
that's a lot of light.
But shit, man. You like to be seen, right?
Yeah.
They be seen, bro. And you like a lot of light because you talking to me. You like type shit. You know what I mean? That's smooth. That low-key W real?
I ain't even gonna say what I'm saying.
What you ready to say?
Light skins be punk sometimes.
Punks? Hell, I'm a punk.
I just said sometimes. I don't know if you're a punk.
This light skin ain't a punk.
Alright, so look, you feel me? I'm about to ask you another question.
Come on.
So, honestly, do y'all see yourself working out?
What you mean working out? We gotta like start up.
Yeah.
We want
we're
more friends.
You want friends right now?
I'm saying, dude, like,
friends with benefits.
I'm saying,
yo, we ain't even did nothing. He talking about some benefits.
I'm saying, dude, like, based off y'all vibe, like, do you feel like y'all can be like, you know what I'm saying, close friends and maybe move up?
A little bit type shit.
Like, can y'all build a connection, like a friendship connection?
Sure. Yeah.
Sure. Cause I feel like the connection already kind of there though, like.
Yeah.
We vibing.
Like,
yeah, you feel me? Type shit.
Yeah, gang.
Feel gang, man. But we ain't no, you don't ever call me bro though.
Why not Brody?
Nah. Brody crazy. You call me gang, but Brody, that's just violating. That's gonna hurt him.
Alright, son.
Okay. Cause Brody make it seem like damn, like a
he
brother.
didn't hear what I said.
Bro, what you say? Hold on. Y'all catch that? Hold on. What'd you say?
I said son.
I said, oh no.
Y'all,
bro, like I told her now, bro, I'm her father. I can show her I'm her dad.
He younger than me, y'all. Look,
bro, you're
little boy.
older than you out a month. Bro, stop smoking. It's bad for you. Listen, bro.
Y'all, it's not bad for me.
Alright, man.
Do you find me attractive? Like, keep going.
Hey, I was supposed to ask the question.
Oh yeah, go ahead. I mean, I can speak my mind too. Then you gotta get out of the whip and let us like.
I got you. Alright, so you know what I'm saying? Yo, you find him attractive?
Why you just ask the same question? Like,
alright, listen.
do I find you slow? Yes, because why would you ask the same question?
Yeah.
But yes, I do find you.
Yeah, nigga.
That's okay.
Oh, so that hurt your feelings?
Nah.
You can't be soft.
I ain't soft.
What's 3 things y'all can want in a partner?
In a partner. Listen, I want some great.
I mean like a long
Your phone about to die, bitch.
Go ahead.
It's
gonna last. We good.
Okay. I want somebody that's stable and like knows what they want.
Sure.
That's one.
Somebody that cares about me.
Cares about you.
Like I don't like that nonchalant stuff.
I'm a very caring person.
That's good.
I'm very caring.
Very
Especially
loving,
to the ones I
very
want.
dear, kind.
See what I'm
Like
saying?
every light-skinned person.
Type shit.
Third thing. I need somebody that's fun.
Like,
yeah. I don't
I like a fun ass. I want my girl to be like my best friend
boring.
at the same time. Like, we can just have some shit of fun together.
I like to go places.
I love that.
I like paintballing. I like riding dirt bikes, stuff like that.
Okay. Type shit. 3 things. Same thing for me too?
Yeah.
I like a girl that's like independent, like on her shit without help. Like, I like a girl that's independent, and like, you feel me? It could be like, babe, I need this, I need that. Like, you feel me? Like, get her own money. You don't gotta depend on no nigga, bro.
Yeah, cause I offered to pay for his meal.
She offered it. I said no.
Yeah.
I mean, that's cool. I like that.
Y'all
though.
know that. Big money.
Yeah, big money. You getting bread. You making money.
Big money, y'all.
Shit, put me on what you doing. I like a girl, you feel me? I like a girl. She gotta have something going for herself, bro. Like, as long as she working, bro, as long as she not just sitting around, you feel me? As long as she working, you feel me? At least trying to make some bread, at least. You just gotta at least be trying, though.
What type of girls you like?
What you
like
mean?
Black girls, white girls?
I don't got a type. I ain't never really had a white girl. I never really, like, came across it. I don't have a type. As long as you in your shit, you look good. If I do a chat to somehow. Straight.
Okay. So, would you rather be with an ugly person that loves you or a pretty person that just puts up with you?
Ugly person that loves me. Shit. Let's be honest here. Let's just be honest. Nigga. The first thing a nigga go for, you said ugly girl in the mall. I'm sliding on that. They know. That's not the first thing they go for.
So what if she's like an ugly girl that like, you know, really cares about you?
Yeah.
Like provides for you, like not provides for you, but you know, like got her stuff together and everything.
Yeah. I mean, she can't be like wet ugly, but she gotta look at least kind of like she gotta be decent though. You feel me? But like me, shit. But I feel like the baddest females don't be. You feel me? Like, and they heart type shit. They be kind of up, like. You know what I'm saying?
You think my heart fucked up?
I'm saying shit to that. I understand.
Alright, so look. I don't mean to intervene or nothing, but you know what I'm saying? All that is good, but like, where does the loyalty come in?
When does the loyalty come in?
Like what do y'all stand on loyalty, man? A lot of people.
What you mean that plays a big part?
Yeah,
alright, so let's say y'all fall out, you feel me? But y'all still got feelings for each other, and y'all still know that y'all tell each other that y'all want to build a relationship. Do you go fuck with somebody else, or do you stay to yourself and fix yourself?
This nigga smart.
Shit, that man.
It depends, like how bad done are y'all? Like done? Like done for a minute and then
not done, but it's just like y'all taking a break.
I feel like y'all see
man,
y'all recording shit.
Hey guys.
How the hell y'all got the nerve to be ruining somebody else's video and y'all not even in your own damn car?
Facts.
Embarrassing. You heard the fuck I said. You're not in your own damn car and got the nerve to be ruining somebody's video. Stop viewing the video.
I'm gonna tell you something, boy.
I'm what, bitch?
Oh my god!
I ain't trying to go there.
Oh my god!
I was a gold digger because he was just
gold digger.
Just talk about the car earlier.
Bitch, I got more gold than you, ho.
I want to know what you got to do.
Hey, bro, we off her phone, bro. You off her phone, this shit.
Yeah, because I'm the best.
Listen, bro, she live an hour away from me, bro. Like, would you drive an hour to see me?
Would you drive an hour to see me? We
Shit,
sitting in your car.
I asked you first.
We sitting in your car.
I
told you my car broke. So
oh yeah, you right. Fuck.
Exactly.
Shit, you can
your
Uber.
car.
You can get friends. You got friends that drive.
Yeah, I do.
You get them out there flirting, fighting and shit. You got friends that drive. Damn, what the hell they doing?
My friends are very strange.
Yo, that bitch playing. Nah, you got friends that drive, so I might. It depends though. Like, I might get you. I might drive there to get you though.
You only drive an hour?
Yeah, no, I'm driving highway.
Okay.
Listen, we better write this up. We better write this up for him.
You see this video?
Better write this up.
Say hey. Hey.
We gotta write this up.
Okay, we'll talk.
Listen though. So like, how many likes until I see you again though?
1 million, like, no.
1 million?
How many likes do you see me again? How many do you normally get?
Shit, like, it depends. Like, every here and I get like 1,000, but just say 100. Just say 100, cause I ain't get 100. Like, niggas been slacking and shit.
Likes?
100 likes. Say 100 likes.
75 likes.
75? And I can see that's all I need. 75 likes, bro.
How many likes is me?
75 likes, bro, and we gonna see her again, bro. You feel me? You better leave?
Yeah. Why are you trying to put me out?
No, I don't want to put you out, but your friend is.
No, I think she just ready to go.
That's a W, man. Let me know, but she might come back. She might come back.
I might.
Nah, she would. If we get 75 likes.
Y'all, I don't think he want me to come back.
We get 75 likes. Nah, I do want you to come back. We gotta make a thumbnail, so like, hide your face.
Wait. I got an idea.
Shopping we drop, spilling the hop, then they stopping and drop. Every time that you look up, I'm always on top. Just like a package of all on her box. Yo, bitch on my dick every time that I drop. I'm always going, no such thing as stop. They said, damn, yeah, you get bitches a lot. I ain't covered no net, thought it was bop. Let her phrase about dance, I call it kick bop. We clearing up, I so give me the mop. Hit that bitch from the back, for sure she on top. Just like some dreads, me and her a lot.